Arqin is one of two land crossings that connect Egypt to Sudan. Since the fighting broke out between the Sudanese armed forces and the paramilitary rapid support forces on April 15, a surge of people rushed to the border. Karam Bayoumi is a bus driver. He's been working at Arqin for 7 years. He says he has never worked this hard before.
I have never seen so many people crossing the border like those during the past few days. Endless trips are on the road. Everyone is trying to get as many people out of here as possible. Personally, I haven't slept for 2 days. Yes, there is good pay, but also I can't see old people and women stay without services. Even if there are health services here, it will never be like a hospital in the city.
Some of the arrivals were stranded in Sudan for several days without any basic services.
The trip to Egypt was extremely hectic. The land route is a tough desert environment. Even when we reached the crossing, it was not prepared for us. There are kids, old people, and others have chronic diseases. People had heat strokes. There is no room for many to rest. The number of people who want to cross is a lot.
We came here and have no plan what to do next. The fighting was in front of our house. Cars exploded around us. With that intensity of fighting, we didn't have a choice except to save ourselves. We left our house, our belongings. We were too overwhelmed to think beyond that point.
The Egyptian government gave directives to border control to facilitate the entry for everyone. Still, no one was prepared for such an exodus at the mostly calm border crossing. Egypt has more than 10,000 citizens in Sudan. Half of them are high school and university students. Only 2,700 have arrived so far. The road from the Sudanese capital Khartoum to here in Arqin is about 900 kilometers long. Most people here have left behind their relatives and belongings, fearing for their lives. And most of them have no idea what the future holds for themselves or for their country. Adel Mahroui for CGTN at the Egyptian-Sudanese border.